Hello friends, this is Anand Chaudhary, your yoga trainer. Friends, in any kind of war, what you mainly require is your weapons should be in a very good condition, even better condition. Now, in a war against COVID-19, your weapons means your lungs should be very strong. Okay? So, in this video, what I'm going to talk about is 5 simple exercises which will make your lungs strong. Okay? Here we go. So the first exercise will be a pursed lip breathing. Pursed lips breathing. Pursing lips means what? You have to make your lips like this, as if you are blowing something. Okay? So in this exercise, what you have to do is, you have to relax first, be in Gyan Mudra, sit straight. Now you have to inhale with your nostrils fully, fill your lungs with the air, and then exhale with your pursed lips like this. You inhaled, fill your lungs with the air, and then purse your lips and exhale very slowly. Okay? This you have to repeat 10 times. Okay? Inhale. And then slowly exhale. Isn't it simple? Great. Now we'll move to the second exercise. Now the second exercise is called as a Bhastrika. In this exercise, what you have to do is, you have to inhale forcefully and exhale forcefully. Okay? Like this. Sit in Gyan Mudra again. Sit straight. Inhale. Exhale. While exhaling, you have to take your tummy in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale forcefully and fill your lungs with the air, and exhale forcefully. Okay, isn't this simple again? Okay, so this again you have to repeat this like 20 strokes equal to 1 round, and such you have to repeat 3 rounds like this. 1 round. Then again second round. Second round. Such you have to repeat 3 rounds. So this exercise was called as a Bhastrika. Now we'll move to the third exercise. The third exercise is called as a diaphragmatic breathing. Now in this exercise, what you have to do is, your one hand should be on your middle point of your chest and other hand should be on your tummy. Okay? So in this exercise, you have to inhale fully through your nostrils, and you have to take your belly out, fill with air, and not the chest fill with air. You have to take your belly out. Okay, like this. See, your belly is out, and you have to again purse your lips and exhale out. And while exhaling, you have to apply pressure on your hand. Okay? Very simple. I'll show you. Look at this. Inhale, your belly out. Exhale, purse your lips. Apply pressure on your hand. Inhale, belly out. Apply pressure on your hand. You can feel your air is going inside and coming outside with this hand at your chest. Okay? This is again a simple exercise, isn't it? Okay. Now we'll move to the fourth exercise. Now the fourth exercise, very important exercise, is called as the Ujjayi Pranayama. Very important exercise. In this exercise, what you have to do is, you have to contract your throat and then you have to inhale. Okay? The noise should come like this. Fill your lungs with air, and then you have to release, you have to exhale through your left nostrils. Apply the thumb at your right nostril and then exhale. Okay? If you are having a high blood pressure or any heart disease, please do not do it. Okay? Like this. And then release from left. This is called Ujjayi Pranayama. Now we'll move to the fifth exercise. Now the fifth exercise will be Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom means alternate breathing. What you have to do is, your left hand should be in a Gyan Mudra, your right hand, your thumb, press on your right nostrils, and then inhale through your left, and then exhale through your right. Again, inhale through your right, exhale through your left. Okay? Again, I'll repeat. Inhale through left, exhale through right. Exhale, then inhale through right, exhale through left. This is equal to 1 round. Such, you can repeat around 10 round, 15 round as per your capacity. Okay? This was called as Anulom Vilom. And to add one variation into this, you can also do a holding mechanism. When you inhale, hold, and then exhale. Then inhale again through right, hold, then exhale. This holding you can do 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds as per your capacity. Okay, but this variation of Anulom Vilom, it is also called as a Nadi Shodhanam. But if you are having a asthma problem or any heart disease, please do not do it. Okay, but Anulom Vilom should be practiced very rigorously. This is all these 5 exercises you can do 10 rounds, 15 rounds as per your capacity. I'm sure this will surely make your lungs very strong in this COVID-19 situation. Okay? Fight with COVID-19 situation, and believe me, we will win.